Oh my goodness, Axie Infinity unbelievable pumps, and definitely good news for all Axie Infinity lovers, holders, and everyone, my friend. So let's see first of all the update of Axie Infinity. After that, I am going to predicate this token, my friend, and I'm give you very important update about Axie Infinity. So let's just start a brand video. Kindly, if you are new my channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for videos notification, guys. Because first of all, as you can see here, my friend, it's 29.92%. You can see, my friends, sorry, 29.92 USD dollars. The price is increased 3.62%, my friends. So make sure to this was not a temporary, absolutely it's very huge pump, my friends. Take now and in the future was totally gone bright, because the volume, as you can see, a 14.54% increase. And remember, when holders are invested, when the people are invested more and more, 100% the volume was increasing. Definitely when volume is increasing, then market cap is also increasing 4.36%. It is unbelievable. All right, 1.18 billion, my friend. You can see it was this time. You can see the market cap. So remember, the market cap is increasing because volume is increasing, and when market cap is increasing 100%, the price will be also increasing now. So here, if we check out, my friend, the chart result of Axie Infinity, 100% it was show you to this was completely on the trending, and it is move upward. After this temporary dump, you can see here it was dumps down from resistance line, but again it was pumps up from resistance line and take a very, after a short term, they will take a very huge jump. So therefore I love Axie Infinity, and that is the point, my friend, which I invest in Axie Infinity. You can see, my friend, after this huge pump, you can see here it was again starting moving upwards. So therefore my advice, my opinion is for everyone to kindly hold down, and I am sure, my friend, to Axie Infinity will make you millionaire. So invest for a bright future, and I'm sure they will make you a millionaire. But this was not a financial video. Kindly research personally, and please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.